In this video, I will learn how to install correct Python version on Windows 11. Let's start. First, go to the web browser and Google search Python and enter. Press the official website is visible. First website, double click. Where is the official website? Python.org downloads Python. Click. Automatically Python started. Python download completed. File click. File location Python. Double click. Minimize. The setup started. Arrow mark head click. Customize installation click. Optional features. Next. First 5 click installation. The setup started. It has verify the installed. Go to the start on type cmd. Open click. Now type Python i5 version and enter. Press the Python installation successful.